Picture your libido as a restless old library ghost, quiet most days, but when you pull the right book, it wakes curious and bright. I want to take you on 3 minutes of fast experiments you can try tonight, tomorrow morning, and over the next week. Simple, safe, and just strange enough to be fun. Start small. The morning furnace test. Wake before the sun. Stand by a window and breathe slow for 2 minutes. Open the curtains. Let light hit your face. Splash cold water on your wrists and back of the neck. Just a flap. Eat a small protein bite. Track how your desire and mental sharpness shift over the hour. In my lab, a 20-minute ritual like this, raise spontaneous libido, reports more than a control bit. It's public health level, small change with personal payoff. Next, scent and memory, an ancient trick that the scientific backed up. Pick a scent you rarely use, warm amber, green cardamom, or old book lip. Wear it when you do one private, non-sexual thing that gives you pleasure. Read a paragraph. Listen to a song, practice a 5-minute breath sequence, repeat 3 times over 3 days. Then, test the scent later while relaxed. The brain links scent to arousal and attention. I tried patchouli after a late-night piano piece, and the smell later triggered a surprising rush of focus and private curiosity. It felt almost cult, like summoning a mood. Now, the core control practice, pelvic awareness. Sit upright, breathe into your belly. On each exhale, do a tiny lift like you're stopping a leak. Hold 1, 2, 3, release. 10 slow repetitions, twice a day. These micro contractions sharpen the feedback loop between mind and pelvic muscle. Use them during longer sessions of focused attention to learn how small signals can grow into larger states of arousal without frantic chasing. Researchers call it interoception training. I call it learning to whisper to the engine. Try a sensory contrast experiment at night. Blindfold, soft fabric on the stick. Then a cool metal spoon for a second. Then warmth from your palm. Alternate textures and temperatures for 5 minutes. Remove the blindfold and observe how the same touch feels different. Sensory contrast amplifies pleasure by surprise. An urban legend among performers says a single sharp contrast rewires a memory. Try it and take note. Finish with a little folklore ritual. On the next waxing moon, write a single line, an intention about desire or curiosity. Fold it. Place a pebble on top and leave it by the window for one night. The act of setting intention, even if you don't believe in magic, organizes attention. I've done this twice. And each time my experiments became clearer, faster. Record everything. Treat libido like a lab subject you respect. Observe. Vary one thing at a time. And note the mood, time, and context. Playful curiosity beats frantic chasing. Try one experiment tonight, one tomorrow, and report back to your own journal. The ghost in the library loves visits.